Okay, let's see the measurements inside the compact where you can hold the magnet. These are two styles of can opener. A regular can opener has a scale, the size inside is 5mm, 0.5, which lines up better here, 5.52, and the thickness, maximum thickness of the magnet can be 2mm, 2.1. So 5mm maximum and 2mm thickness maximum. In the compact, this combo tool, in the compact we can have maximum 3.2 almost. And the hook, magnet is already installed from my old headphones. Let's measure the magnet that fits inside the hook here. So strong. Okay, the magnet, it's very difficult to measure this thing. Okay, the magnet diameter, outside diameter is 3 point, which one aligns better here? 3.5, so the outside diameter 3.5. And the thickness 1mm. 3.5mm by 1mm. 3 by 1. 3.5 by 1. But 3 by 2 should fit. Not so wide, but this actually fits perfectly, 3.5. So you can put in the parcel hook magnet of the size of 3mm by 2mm. Links in description to find the magnets, or you can just take them from old headphones. But the size here would be 3mm by 2mm thickness, or 3.5mm by 1mm or 2mm. If you want to keep it in the parcel hook. If you want to keep the magnet in the can opener, 5.5mm by 2mm or 5mm by 2mm should be fine. Hope this helps you. Check the links in the description to find the magnets or take them from old headphones. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments section below how you use the magnet on your Swiss Army knife.